Hello and welcome back to Crocheli again. Now what we're going to do is this very cute flower, and it's really easy to make. We only need popcorn stitch here and then some petals here. Okay, if you want to change color or just keep one color, it's all up to you, but I will show you how to do it. Okay, to begin with, we need 6 chain, to begin 6 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and then make a ring. Okay, now that we have ring, chain 1, and then we need 12 single crochet into the ring and just carry your excess yarn. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so we have 12 single crochet. Let's just join here, and then we need chain 3 for our round 2. 1 2 3. This is your chain 3 and counted as 1 double crochet. So now we need 6 double crochet in the same stitch. So in here, this is where you're standing here, and then go here. So we need 6 double crochet. So 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. Pull a little, go here on your first double crochet, and then go here and then pull it through, and then chain 1, then another chain 2, 1 2. Okay, and then another 6 double crochet, but you have to skip 1 stitch here, 1 2. So you're going here because we need 6 petals. 1, same stitch. Okay, same stitch, work on same stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Pull a little, go here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then here, go here, pull a little, chain 1, and then another chain 2, and then again one more, 1 2 1 2 3 4 4 5 and 6. Chain 1 1 2. Okay, I will continue. Okay, now that we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 petals, and then we just need to join here. This is your first petals, right? just join here somewhere. Okay, and then on the chain space we need to do the second layer of petals. If you want to change color or not, that's all up to you. So let's continue. After we join, let's go to the chain space and then slip stitch and then chain 1 and then single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet 1, 2. So in here it's up to you if you want 2 double crochet or 3 double crochet. Now my yarn is thick. I think 2 double crochet is enough, but in here I have 3 double crochet in the middle, so it's up to you to adjust. So 2 double crochet, and then going down we need the half double crochet again, and then the single crochet. Then after that, look at the back. In here, this space, jump here and then single crochet, then half double crochet and then 2 double crochet, 1 and then 2. Okay, and then half double crochet again and then single crochet. One more. Look at the back, look for the space, and then jump here, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet. We need 2, 1 and then 2, and going down we need half double crochet again and then single crochet. So yeah, let's continue. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, 1, 2 double crochet. So I ran out of yarn. Let me just tie it with another yarn. Okay, since I ran out of white yarn and this is my only available yarn, let me just change color. Okay, so we're here and then we need to jump here again, single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and then half double crochet and then single crochet. Okay, last one. Find the space, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, we need 2, and then half double crochet and then single crochet. So it's up to you if you want to put this one, because I will use it as a keychain, but it's all up to you. Okay, so to finish it all, just slip stitch and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 chains. So it's all up to you if you want to do this. Okay, so we're done here. Just clean up your, oh, it looks nice even it's a different color here. Okay, so it's all up to you, and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again on my next video. Thank you so much.